of Standard 4 to the reading class, the reading session. How many of you want to be good readers? Wow, the whole class. That's the spirit. So let us not waste time and begin with our reading session. Now students, open your EVS 1 textbook, page 7. Lesson number 2, the interrelationships between living things. A riddle to solve. An age-old tree with a thick, strong trunk gives deep, dark shade from the scorching sun, like an old man's beard with many strands. It has ropes for swinging from every branch. Which is this tree in the picture? Can you tell? Plants in our surroundings are useful to us in different ways. The names of some plants are given below. For what purpose do we use their leaves? Betelvine, flame of the forest pallas, fenugreek methi, Vasaca adulsa, curry leaf plant. The needs of all living things are met in their environment. We have many needs like food, water, air, clothes, and shelter. All these needs are met in our surroundings. In fact, food, water, and air are the needs of all living things. They are all fulfilled in the environment, but there are differences in the needs of each kind of living things. For example, the water that a mouse drinks in an entire day would not be enough for an elephant even at one time. Think about it. Butterflies feed on the nectar of flowers. Can a frog do the same? A sheep eats the leaves of shrubs. Can a tiger do the same? A fish can breathe in water, but can a pigeon do that? Bulrushes grow in water. Can a lemon tree do so? Can you tell? If fish leave the water, will they be able to live on land? Try this. Take two small boxes. Label them box 1 and box 2. Fill them 3/4 with soil. Make the soil moist enough to sow seeds. Sow 2 sprouted mudki seeds in each box. Give 2 spoons of water to the soil of box 1. Only once every day. Give 4 spoons of water to the other box 4 times a day. Do this for 6 days. What will you see? The plants in box 1 are growing well, but the plants in box 2 have begun to rot. What does this tell us? Plants that are not aquatic plants cannot grow in marshy areas. If they get more water than they rot. Any type of living things will be found only where all its needs are fulfilled. Let's take the example of the tiger. A tiger has stripes. A tiger lies in wait for its prey among tall grasses. Its prey cannot see it in the grass because of stripes. There are animals like the deer, the nilgai, and the bison in grasslands. When the tiger is hungry, it can feed on them. For a tiger, There also needs to be a water hole nearby, which never dries up even in the summer. There must also be dense vegetation, tall grasses, or caves in hills or mountains in the area so that the tiger can find shelter. A tiger inhabits an area where all these needs are available. Can you tell from where do we get silk? How are trees useful for monkeys? How are trees useful for birds? What happens if termites make a tree hollow? We keep animals in order to satisfy some of our needs. They become dear to us. We look after them well. We feed them. We take them to a vet if they fall ill. These animals too return our affection. We get milk, meat, eggs, and several other things from animals. Some animals are useful for carrying burdens or drawing carts. Domestic animals are also used to help with the heavy farm work in fields. Dogs guard our houses. Sheep give us wool. Do you know? Even the excreta of domestic animals is of use to human beings. The dung of cattle is made into dung cakes. They are combustible. They are used in some places as fuel. When they burn, they give out smoke. A combustible gas called gobar gas is also obtained from cattle dung. That too is used as fuel. It burns without smoke. Cattle dung is used for plastering mud houses. Manures made from cattle dung and sheep pellets are good for plants. Farmers use them for growing crops. Benefits of reading. Students, there are plenty benefits of reading. Students, when you read more, you learn more. So keep the learning process on. Thank you.